If you're someone that thinks they're an alien because of some weird genetic mutation in your blood, then this video is for you. Let's talk genes and mutations. Now, for hundreds of years, the small things that science could not explain, the small gaps in knowledge and information would just be explained by the gods, right? They call this the gap of the gods. Thunderbolts, floods, earthquakes, epidemics, infantile deaths, female infertility. All these things used to be acts of God. That is until science came along and we realized, oh shit, there's an explanation for this crap. The fact that your blood is positive or negative does not mean you are the result of an alien life form. There is no such thing as a gap of the aliens. Here's an example of a mutation. Blue eyes. Thousands of years ago, it was all dark brown. There isn't a pigment that makes your eyes lighter. With the fact that blue eyes are still around, green eyes are still around, they haven't been phased out of our evolutionary timeline, means that there might be some kind of a benefit to it, right? But these mutations, this mutation happened naturally, organically, and over time. The same happens with blood. You've got A, B, AB, and O. There are 4 types. There's a rhesus factor. This is a protein that resides on the surface of the blood cell and determines whether or not it is positive or negative. Most people are positive, about 85%. There are 15% of people that are negative. It has come to my attention that there happens to be a delusion amongst these 15% of people that has fooled them into thinking they are part reptilian, part alien, smarter than the rest of the population. They're gifted in some manner. This delusionary way of thinking kind of leads you to weird, egotistical, narcissistic even behavior. There's a phrase, you are unique just like everyone else. The reason I love this phrase is it kind of touches upon 2 things. One, we are all the same steaming pile of crap, whether you like to believe it or not. The greatest of us and the worst of us. We are all the same. Now, what makes us unique, so to say, are personalities, character traits, the way we do things, the way we perceive things. All these things, for sure, yeah. Are we unique? For sure. Are we the same? Absolutely. There are some similar phrases out there. The king and the servant will both be buried in the same dirt. I fear no man that breathes the same air as me. The point I'm trying to make is, if I can do it, you can do it. If you can do it, I can do it. Am I you? In many ways, yeah. Are you me? In many ways, yeah. And in many ways, no.